Hey friends, it's me TechieBruce. Welcome back in another video. In this video, I will show you how to click these images on your smartphone and other smartphone or a camera. I posted some photos on Instagram yesterday. I got many replies how you click the images, so I thought making a video on it. So without further delay, let's get started. Well, you don't know which type of photography is this, but we will call it bezel-less photography. For this you will need a smartphone and a camera to click the images, and the further trick will be in the video. So without further delay, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and hit the like button. So let's get started.
So friends, I've now grabbed a newspaper and we'll try this photography on this. So we need to click an image first of the. I will focus on the one plus. Okay, now the image is clicked and you need to remove the cover to get better results. And just zoom into that. And zoom and fit. Okay, now good to go. You can see I will adjust the camera and show you. Yes, now the OnePlus and the 7 is now ready. So click that image with the grab the camera and click the image and you are ready to go.
I have now clicked the image, so we'll try one more image with this, the Maharashtra Times that. First of all, you will need to click the image and just zoom into that. And you can now see the how it looks very real in. So that's all for now. I will click an image and show you. Just grab your camera and yes, now the image is clicked. I will edit and show you there. So friends, I'm now showing one more example that is awesome behind the word. So see that. So friends, now I'm clicking the image of this. So I'll focus and I have clicked the image. So we'll now fit into that. So zoom into that and keep your phone and I'll show you. And the image is now ready. I will shift the camera and show you. Yes, from this view you can see that how it looks as a transparent image. So that's all for now. So friends, that's all for now. I hope you like the video. you do like the video, share, subscribe to my channel and click some amazing shots, and don't forget to tag me. So till then, bye bye.